Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to follow all of my steps and apply them to your browser. So as I said, let's open the browser, and here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now for a really fast removal, we can tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic options which we can remove. So the history, tabs, and cookies and cache and other site data. You can change the time range here from last 15 minutes to all time and simply tap on Clear Data. So that was the basic option. In a second I'll show you more advanced options. You can tap on more options and you will be transferred to a proper section. However, I'd like to show you another way to show you also the list of previously visited websites. So let's tap on the three buttons and then tap on the history. And this is the section I wanted to show you. So here we've got all previously visited websites, they are listed. And if you want to remove only those information, you can simply tap on this X button right next to it and it will immediately disappear. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing data, tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got the section I've been talking to you before. So here we've got those basic options in which we can remove in this fast way. And here we've got more advanced options like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So simply make sure that all of the things you want to remove are marked. We can also change the time range here to, for example, all time, and then tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.